Welcome to our tutorial on adding contact details when booking your shipment with Ship4wd. Today, we'll guide you through the process step by step. After selecting your preferred route and adding cargo details, the next step is to enter contact information. Let's get started. Here we are. The first set of details is for the contact at the pickup location, the exporter, who is typically your supplier or a designated contact responsible for handing over the cargo. In the drop-down menu, you can select an existing contact or add a new one by clicking on New Contact. Let's add a new contact together. In this pop-up, enter the contact person's details. Make sure the email address and phone number are accurate, as these are crucial for coordinating the pickup of your cargo. Click Create to save the details. Each contact you add will be saved for future bookings. Next, you'll need to add information for the delivery location. This is the person who will receive the cargo at the destination. If you're the one who will receive the cargo, select your name from the list. Otherwise, click New Contact to enter the recipient's details. You can also notify additional contacts by clicking on Notified Contacts. You can select from existing contacts or add new ones. These contacts will also get updates about your shipment. And there you have it, contact details added successfully. Stay tuned for our next tutorial on adding additional services to optimize your shipping experience. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of our platform.